Hello USD 489 teachers, this is Marie Henderson. Thank you for your interest in the Spring Into Joy 6 Days of Connection opportunity. I'm going to show you here how to access the points checklist so that you can keep track of your team points. So I'm here on the district website and I'm going to click Menu and scroll down here under Teaching and Learning to the Professional Learning plus sign. And when I click on the Professional Learning plus sign, I have several options, the last one of which is 6 Days of Connection. So here's my 6 Days of Connection Spring Into Joy website. And when I get here, there's lots of information, including signing up your team or requesting to be added to a team. So you can use that link there. And then over here on the left, underneath the video about 6 Days of Connection, there's a link to learn about how to win the prizes. And so when you click there, the points program opens, and there's lots of information here that you'll want to read through with your team about earning your points. But one of the things you'll do is access the points checklist that's linked here, and you're going to share it with your teammates through Office 365. And so only one teammate actually has to initially access the points checklist. And once it opens here in Excel, you'll need to save a copy of the file for your team to use. And so up here at the top left, I'm going to click File, and I'm going to click Save As, and I'm going to download a copy to the computer here. And so then once it downloads, I can just click on it here in my downloads bar across the bottom of Chrome, or you can access it in your downloads folder. And if you're prompted, you want to open in Excel, and so I'm going to say OK. And then once you have it open, you'll want to save a copy to your OneDrive and share it with your teammates. So it takes a second there to open, but then you'll click to enable editing, and here at the top left, you'll click File and then Save As. And you'll double click your OneDrive. And so just to point out that this is the one for your team, maybe you'll put a teammate's last name or the name of your team if you've come up with one. And so I'll click to save here in my OneDrive. And so now as I make changes to this file, it's auto saving. And I can also click here at the top right to share, and I can add the email addresses of my teammates here in this window that pops up. And so once that loads, you want your teammates to be able to edit, so you can leave this part alone. And then if I'm on a team with, let's say, Shanna, I can type a few letters of her email address and then click on her name, and maybe Amy's on my team. And so I select Amy from the list, and then also Gabi. So I share it with my other 3 teammates. And then I just click to send, and we'll all be able to edit this spreadsheet. And you can edit here, friends, or if you want to open the spreadsheet up in your browser, you can also, now that you've saved it to OneDrive, go to portal.office.com and you can edit and make changes to your new spreadsheet. Most likely it will show up down here as your most recent file, but you can also click on your OneDrive here and find it there. Notice that this one is the original that's in my files, and this one is the new one that I'm saving for my team. And so if I click to open it, I can also edit it here in the browser as well as what I have open here in the desktop application. And so before you forget, click to send to your teammates, and that way they will be able to add their points as well. So for each day here in the spreadsheet, you'll enter your name and how many points you earn, and then your teammates will do the same, and you'll get a total for each day, which will give you your total points at the end for the 6 days of the contest. As always, if you have questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks, and have a great day.